So I had to tell you about this new rice that I just found that is so good. This is the organic cilantro and lime rice. Now, first off, you're going to get 6 packets. Here's what makes this rice special. First off, like I said, you're going to get 6 packets. So you're going to stock up. You're going to have these in your pantry ready to go. And the cool thing about it, all the directions and ingredients and ways to eat it are on the back. But the cool thing about this is you actually put it in the microwave. Isn't that cool? Now, this is not your typical everyday rice. This is USDA certified organic, GMO free. They use fresh ingredients and this is so tasty. So you can use it as a side dish or as a rice bowl. Because I'm trying to cook a lot more at home and save that money. I'm not going to that store and buying those people's rice bowls anymore. All you do is open it an inch, stick it in your microwave for 90 seconds, and just like that, your dinner, your lunch, your meal prep is ready. So I can say that the flavor of the cilantro and the flavor of the lime is really bold in your face. This is not bland rice, and that's why I love it. I'm using mine for meal prepping, and it's that easy. I just put it in a little container, and I can eat on this the next 2 days with the meals that I already have prepared. Look at there. It's not mushy. It's not bland. It's not like a soup or just kind of all clumped up together. This is good, high-quality rice, and it tastes amazing. So this is a healthy choice that you can make, and it tastes absolutely amazing. I'm telling you guys, you have to try this. This is what I cook on my cheat days when I don't feel like making a meal from scratch. Go ahead and pick you up one of these organic cilantro and lime rice pouches. Oh my gosh, so good. I got mine from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below.